I'm Anna Dukes and I'm the Senior International Development Officer at Cardiff Metropolitan University. Part of my role in the institution is to support the university's internationalisation strategy through such funded programmes such as Erasmus, Erasmus Mundus, Tempus and so forth. So today for Cardiff Met, it's been about raising awareness of the types of experiences we've had initially in applying for such funding as an institution, then managing such funding and encouraging our students and staff to travel overseas and gain the all-important international experience. So for us, the key challenges for any Welsh institution that's involved in such programmes is important to disseminate wider than the institution itself, because we need the support of the wider community to understand what the opportunities are available for prospective students before they come to our institutions, and then to know how to encourage them to then participate and benefit from that in how they put it on their CV to become an internationally sort of focused graduate that's high on the employment agenda that will hopefully benefit us in terms of our employability for our students as well. Around the table I've got to meet fellow people that work in other institutions in the same kind of roles, and it's been good to share best practice and to understand that the challenges are very similar, so that we're undergoing the same experiences, and that hopefully through communicating we can work together in the future in certain areas of best practice as well, and come together collectively as institutions rather than working independently as a Welsh institution.